One afternoon, Charles the chicken was visiting the art gallery. Oh my, look at these famous paintings. Oh, here's a Starry Night by Vincent van Gogh. Oh, now that's a painting I can really get into. Let's have a seat, Ned. Oh, yeah, it's been a long day. All I want to do is just sit here and look at these beautiful paintings. Hey, Ned, what do you think? It's so relaxing sitting here just looking at the paintings. Ned, is that you? Wake up. I didn't pay good money for you to be snoring. Go wake up. Get off my shoulder and wake up. This is ridiculous. Now come on, Ned. Ned was Charles' best friend, and he was a gnat. Most chickens didn't associate with gnats, but Charles was Ned's best friend. Come on now, Ned. Get up and wake up. Wake up, Ned. Huh? What? What's going on? I told you to look at the painting. Now come on. Oh, yeah, that's a cool painting, all right. Well, sure it is. I paid good money. Now you sit down on my shoulder and you pay attention. Oh, all right. It's pretty cool. I like the clouds. It wasn't long before Charles started to fall asleep. And Ned felt like he was getting sucked into the painting. Help! Help! Charles! Charles, wake up! It was as if I was there when the painting was being made. I could hear the wind blowing as the artist created the wind. And the stars began to come out. And the moon. And more stars. And more stars. And even more stars. The artist was busy creating his masterpiece. And then I saw him put some houses down. And more houses. And a tree began to grow. And I decided to land on the moon. And I enjoyed this beautiful sight. What's happening? Hey, Ned! Ned, where are you? Where are you, Ned? Oh, here I am. Boy, that was exhausting. Well, I got a good nap in. Did you get a good nap in? Are you kidding me? That painting was so exhausting I got twisted and turned in all kinds of wind. Oh, Ned, you have such an imagination. And the two of them went out of the gallery.
Oh, hello there. It's me, Ellie. How are you today? I hope you're doing well. Okay, so I have 2 combinations I'm going over today. Here's one. 2 letters, just one sound. It just says as in nose. And no, okay? This letter G is in gray. Shh, don't wake it up. This is the 2-letter It just says All right, and we're going to draw a little gnat. And the little gnat, whose name was Ned, was in the story. Okay, so we're going to do that. And also, we have this combination. And it just says ture. Okay, the T doesn't say t, but the says and the silent E at the end. Shh, don't wake it up. Okay, so this is the 4-letter ture, and there's a little hint down there. And Jerome will go over this more. Okay, but I'm going to focus on the 2-letter which just says Okay, so we're going to get out a gray crayon. All right, and you're going to make a silent G, doesn't say anything, okay? And then we're going to get out a black crayon or marker and write gnat. Make sure, as a reminder, if you need it, to color your red for apple. Okay, for apple. Gnat. All right, here we go. We're going to draw a gnat. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and draw an eyeball and another half eyeball. Okay, and then just a circle and some wings and some little feet. That's our gnat. And then maybe some little fly marks, little action marks. There we go. There's our gnat. Isn't he cute? I think he's Ned. Good job. Hi guys, it's me, Jerome. All right then, so I've got a combination here. It's 4 letters. T-U-R-E, silent E. And it looks like remember the but it's really It's the 4-letter ture. It just says ture. So I have a little key down here to help you. So this just says ture. All right, and so I'm going to put it down here and put it with the word. If for Iggy. Remember, it's green. Picture. Picture. And that's what we're going to draw, a picture. Because in our story, we had Charlie and his friend the gnat who went to go to a museum to see a Van Gogh. And a starry night. So we're going to draw a simplified version of a starry night. All right, it's a cool picture. All right, here we go. So we're going to get out some oil pastels today. If you want to get out markers, you can get out crayons, markers, whatever you want. I've got different blues and greens and yellows and oranges and some a white pastel to kind of blend things. And yeah, that's what we're going to do, guys. All right, here we go. First, we're going to make the tree. Get out a dark green. Okay, here we go. We're going to draw the tree kind of growing up. And then we're going to do the other side. It's got some little branches there. Okay, something like that. And we can kind of lightly color it in. We've got some lime green. Yeah, nice. And put some lime green in there. All right. Okay, pretty cool. All right, so that's pretty good for the tree. Let's get some wind blowing. Okay, there was some wind blowing. Whoosh. Remember the gnat got caught up in the wind? Okay, we're going to start behind the tree. Oh, yeah, and going up, and then we're going to swirl around, and then come around, and then skip. There you go. Okay, and then we're going to draw another little swirl. We'll start inside there, and we'll go skip over here, and a little swirl. And then go around and connect it. Oh, yeah, very swirly. Okay, put some lines in there. There was a lot of texture that Van Gogh used. So we're going to put some little choppy lines in there. Very nice. And then maybe different shade of blues. We got a lighter shade. Put that in. Okay, in the other section, we might need to make our dark blue darker so we can separate these a little bit. Okay, we've got a cool color here. Yeah. Put some of that in there. Just kind of scribble it in. Yeah, there you go. Woo! Okay, I'm going to have my assistant use a darker blue to kind of outline the wind a little bit. Nice. Okay, we're going to do like a moon. And we'll put some rays around it, some little stars. There we go. And some little sky behind it. Okay, and then do like a quick little mountain. Maybe get a dark blue out or purple. That works too. Color that in. Okay, maybe a little blue in there. Okay, there we go. We've got a simplified version of this. All right, here we go. Picture. Good job, guys. Oh, I'm so tired. Oh, look, a nice strip of yellow to lay down on. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Oh, yes. Ellie. Yes, Jerome. Did you read the sign? What sign? Wet paint. Oh, dear. Oh, no. I must learn to read the sign. Jerome, I've got paint all over me. Oh, dear. Oh, dear. Oh, dear. Oh, boy. I love this new couch I got. It's really cozy. Ellie, come and try this new couch out. What is it, Jerome? Oh, you have a cute little couch. Yeah, it's really cozy. Have a seat. Oh, boy. We have and let me get one more thing. Ture. We have furniture. Very cozy, Jerome. Thanks, Ellie. And don't forget our list.